Hey there, check out the Dreo Tower Fan, a powerful and quiet standing fan designed for bedroom comfort. It delivers airflow up to 40 feet away at speeds of 28 feet per second using a durable DC motor. You can choose from 12 speeds and 4 modes with 90-degree oscillation for customized cooling. The fan operates at a whisper-quiet 25 decibels, perfect for peaceful sleep without distractions. Control it easily with the Dreo app, voice commands like Alexa or Google Assistant, a remote or touch controls. Cleaning is simple thanks to tool-free disassembly and washable parts. Plus, it has safety features like pinch-proof grills and circuit protection. This 42-inch tower fan is ideal for cooling large spaces quietly and efficiently while fitting seamlessly into your smart home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.